If you want to monetize your TikTok account and start earning money, this step by step guide will show you how to do it. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Now, tap on your profile at the bottom right, then tap the three lines in the top corner. Next, go to TikTok Studio. Then scroll down, tap on Monetization. This is where all earning features are available. Um, Here, tap on View All under Programs to see different ways to earn, like creator rewards, live gifts, and more. If you're eligible, you'll see a Join button. Just tap it and follow the steps. Keep in mind, most programs require at least 10,000 followers and around 100,000 video views. Plus, you must be 18 or older. If you're not eligible yet, you can tap to get notified when you qualify. After that, go back. Once you start earning, go to Balance, then tap View Details. Add your payment method like PayPal, and you'll be able to withdraw your earnings. But in My Mobile, it doesn't show. So, yeah, that's how you can monetize your TikTok account and start earning. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok growth tips. Thanks for watching.